Will Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers void the warranty? In most cases, installing Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers won't void the car warranty. As long as they fit properly and are correctly torqued, these Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers won't damage your cars. Different brands may have different regulations, so it is recommended to check it carefully before installing. As manufacturing technology improves, Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers are getting more durable and tough. As long as you install correctly, brand hub-centric spacers will have a negligible effect on the suspension part. In other words, even with long-term use, your car warranty is not affected by Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers. Even some famous aftermarket wheel manufacturers offer Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers to fit their wheels. For decades, Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers have been used widely on many vehicles with no problems. Just get the top quality Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers, and you can make the car perform better and look more stylish. Brand spacer manufacturers spend much time, money, and resources to optimize the spacer design. Get genuine Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers and have them installed by professionals, then there is nothing to worry about. Since a spacer is a connecting part that holds the vehicle hub and wheel together, precise Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers are the best option. BONOSS forged Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers are generally produced by 0.02mm CNC machining, which ensures a smooth surface and stability construction. In other words, the higher the precision, the better the performance. Made of advanced mechanics and undergone a series of safety tests, they are approved by SGS and TUV. These SGS TUV certified tire spacers are completely safe to use. BONOSS forged Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, BONOSS forged FT cooling Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Additionally, BONOSS Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers offer a 10-year warranty. Mostly, the longer the warranty, the better. Within the warranty period, BONOSS will offer a full return for the defective item. Therefore, if you intend to buy good spacers, the BONOSS forged FT cooling Tesla Model 3 performance wheel spacers will be a perfect option.